experiment, we're going to look at how to measure the current in different positions around a series circuit. And you're going to need some connecting leads, two 12-volt light bulbs, an ammeter, and a power supply. And it's best if you have your power supply set on about 12 volts. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take a lead from the power supply and connect it into the ammeter. Then we're going to take a connecting lead and go from the ammeter to the first light bulb. Then we can take a connecting lead and go from the first light bulb to the second light bulb. And then from the second light bulb, we need to go back to the power supply. And hopefully you can see that this is a nice series circuit going from the power supply round through the ammeter, then the light bulb, then the second light bulb, and back to the power supply. And if we turn that on, we can measure the current in this position. Once you've measured the current in that position, you should turn it off. Be aware that the light bulbs will now be hot, so don't touch those. And then you're going to need to move the ammeter from this position to be in this position in between. So I'm going to disconnect the ammeter and then make a gap in the middle here and pop my ammeter into the middle here and then connect in my light bulb. So I've now got the same circuit except the ammeter has moved to here in the middle, and then I can switch it on and record the current in this position. Once I have done that, I then need to remove the ammeter from that position and put it in here. So I'm going to disconnect the ammeter from that position, reconnect the circuit without it, and then remove the wire from this position and pop the ammeter into that gap. And now I will have the complete circuit again, but with the ammeter in this position, and then I can switch it on and measure the current there.